Possession rights. There are some pieces of land in Costa Rica that, for different reasons, are not registered in the public registry. And there's people that have been using the land, living in the land, and there is a way to protect them and eventually to record this as title property in the public registry. For doing it so, this person or group of persons, because could be done by different people during the time, need to have had this property or this land in possession in a specific way, in a public way, with good faith, and for more than 10 years. If all this could be proved, then we can go to court with an attorney of course in order to ask a judge to order the public registry to record this piece of land as a title property. Now, this process is not that long, but needs to comply with a lot of things. As an example, it needs to have a plan, what is called a cadastral plan. We need to have all the neighbors as witnesses that will tell the judge that this land has been possessed by X person during X amount of time, and that they agree that there is no problem in the boundaries in order to record the land. But also the General Attorney Office is called into this process, and some other public institutions, in order to determine that this land is not a green refugee area or a natural park, or that is owned by the government of Costa Rica. Once this process is done, the judge will order the public registry to record this as title property and will get a folio round number. Now, it still have after this being done, that means at least 10 years of possession plus the time that it takes at court. Then once it's recorded, there's still a 10 years time in which any person that believes that has a better right for that piece of land could go back to court in order to get back the property. Okay? So it's registered, could be segregated, could be sold, whatever, but with this condition of 10 extra more years. Which means that it's very different for a Costa Rican to understand this, a Costa Rican that lives here to understand this process, than telling a foreigner, go ahead and buy something that is not registered, that is a not possession right, even if it is in the process of what we call the información posesoria, which is the process at court. So my advice for now for foreigners is, don't get involved in a property that is under possession rights, even if it is under an información posesoria at court.